Hello lovelies, this is Elisa from Elisa's Creations. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a project share for you. I'm super excited about this one because I've been meaning to make a shabby chic planner for a very long time. And now the opportunity came up because I found the perfect kit for that. Look at this. This is super gorgeous. I love it so much. We're gonna go through into details in a minute. I just want to say that I have used the gorgeous Whimsy Roses digital kit from the Craft Room membership by Shabby Art Boutique. Korean has designed an amazing kit packed with planner, goodies, papers, calendars, tabs, everything you need for your planner fun. I'm super excited about that. Let's dig in. So you see two is actually only one planner. I'm gonna explain everything. Let's start with this one first. I'm a planner obsessed, so I'm super obsessed with planning. I plan every single day. It helps me to be organized, to be on top of things, and for me it's also fun. I do a decorative type of planning. I like to have my planner pretty, highly decorated. If my planner it's not decorated, I don't go back to it. So that's why I do this highly decorated planner type. The way I plan, it's a scrapbook kind of planner. So I use lots of pretty images, scrapbooking papers, lots of parts as you can see, lots of different decorations. I make my own planner goodies using different kits. That's the way I do it. You can do whichever method is better for you. There's no right or wrong when it comes to planning, especially when it's a scrapbook planner. It's loads of fun. I absolutely love it. The perfect binding for my planner, it's the disc system. Simply because it's pretty, and also you can actually remove the pages as you go. You can remove pages, you can change your cover as you wish. If you get fed up with one cover, you can just remove it by doing this and put it back, create another one, add pages, remove pages, changing things around. It gives you lots of flexibility. You choose the right binding method for you. You can use a bounded book, you can make a junk journal, you can use an altered composition notebook, you can use this one, you can use a ring binders, which I had made it in the past. It's a system that I actually love as well because you have removable pages as well. You can use whichever you prefer for you. I do an extensive planning, so as you can see here, I only have 4 months because I'm gonna make 3 of this one, 4 months per planner. But I have the feeling that I'm gonna actually use this one only for 2 months because I know myself, I'm gonna bulk it so much that it's gonna actually fit only 2 months as I go. I take my planner with me in my handbag. I have a gorgeous pouch where I put my planner, my commonplace book, and my pen and my stickers pouch. I normally plan on weekends and every single evening as well to check what I have to do on the day. I'm gonna show you the inside. So the way I do it, I have the cover. That is a thick one. Here, I'm gonna have an intro page where probably I would add a pocket or something where I would add all my personal information just in case, fingers crossed, won't happen, my planner gets stolen and I have my personal information inside that. I might also add a picture of myself, but I'm not 100% sure about that. So here, it's another blank page because I was thinking of adding a dopamine menu that I will explain in January what exactly is, but it's basically a list of things that you wish to do instead of scrolling on your phone, and it's super fun. One of them obviously is planning. I love it. Here probably I'm not sure what I'm gonna have it. Probably still the dopamine menu or something else. What is great about it is because I can add pages, I can remove it. So if I want to do the dopamine menu in two, I'll add another page, and here I'll do it on this side, as I said before. Here I've got my 2025 calendar with all the months, and here I probably have my yearly goals. Here I've got birthdays for the year. Here I can add some notes that I have to have for the birthdays, or maybe I just decorate it. It really depends. Here, anniversaries. And here is blank again. Here I've got all the passwords. This one is actually, I printed one page, and on the other side, I printed and cut the other page. So I got double-sided with passwords. I really need this one. I keep forgetting them. Here you have the notes pages as well. As I said before, you can always add things. Other pages that I'm gonna add on the go will probably be hobbies that I would like to start. I have a few hobbies in mind that I would like to start in 2025. It would be handy to have them written down. I have a daily routine that I refer to daily that is the same, so probably I'll place in here as well. I might laminate it as well. I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm gonna do. And I also have brain dump pages, and probably I will have a master to-do list. I will see as I go. We'll go into details in January. Here finally the months start. So I have my monthly calendar page for January. Here it's plain. I might add my goals for the month. Here we have a decorative page. Again, I might add some decorations, I might not. It really depends how we feel. I recently restarted reading books and I couldn't be happier. So I'm planning on reading books monthly. So I have the books page. Internet shopping, I do loads of shopping online. So it's really useful for me to track the order. Sometimes I can't even remember what I bought, if I've received it or not. Project planner, it's gonna be my craft for the month of January. I craft a lot, which I love. And here is the shopping list. This one could be related to my project planner or could be an addition for my meal plan. I don't have a meal plan page just yet. We're gonna add it in January together, and this one could be the shopping list for my meal planner, or I add the second one. This one will be for my project planner, and I'm gonna add another one for groceries, basically. Wish list, my wish for the month. Oh gosh, such a cute page to have. Here we have 4 weekly pages. It depends on the month you're planning for. Could be 4 or 5. I printed double-sided. Here you can find the lined ones. When it comes to the 2 days, I've added a few of them just to show you, but because I do extensive planning and I plan daily as well, not just weekly, I do both. At the back, I left it plain because I carry on with planning the day. Probably this page won't be enough for me. Here you have blank pages to add something, some notes, and lined pages as well for notes and thoughts, things to remember, anything that you would like to. So that's what is the base of my plan for the month. What I'm planning on adding would be a tracker for different things I'm actually getting to the habit of doing, like gym, reading, and add a couple of things. Probably I will add my social media schedule. Every month look the exact same. So February, I'm gonna flip through quickly. You always have the same format. You have the month page, you have the decorative page, the project planner, the wish list, the books. It's all the same, and everything obviously is double-sided. So it all looks the same. And you have March as well. And we have April. the weekly pages. And here is our back cover, and this one as well. And here you have all the tabs as well. So this is how I plan. As I mentioned before, this is extra pages for the 2 days. So for the 2 day pages, I put them all in here. I've got like 50 of those here. If you do daily, obviously it will be 365. Because obviously there are 365 days in a year. You can actually have this one double-sided, so 2 days in here and 2 days here, so you actually have half. But because I do extensive planning, as I said before, I'm gonna need 1 a day. I'm not sure yet. I probably keep this one and have an additional one for the whole year, and I'll obviously put a date in here as well. I might add the tabs as well. If I want to keep just this one, I might add the calendar page and the tab. Or if I go for 2 months in this one instead of 4, I can actually add the daily one that will be 60 pages in here and have it all in one place. This is something I'm gonna decide in January or even later as I go. It's really flexible, and the disc system is just the perfect choice. So it's not decorated. I might not decorate this one highly in the future, so you just see these beautiful today pages, double-sided with one of the backing pages, and we get to the back cover. That is one of these beautiful pages with the birds. Back, how pretty it is. So the only thing I did, I added this beautiful bow, this beautiful rose, and lots of stickers, and obviously there's some lace. Sadly, I ran out of pearls, so I couldn't do my pearly thing in here. I always add pearls. I can't wait for the delivery to arrive to add my pearls. I miss them. This is my planning system that I'm gonna use for 2025. As I said, it's flexible. There's lots of things that can change. If you wish to make a planner like mine, I have a tutorial coming up just after Christmas, before the year ends. So we're gonna make one of this one together for the months of May, June, July, and August. So we actually do the second one. The cover is gonna look different to this one because I ran out of big pearls as well, so I won't be able to do this one with you, but we're gonna do another one together. It's gonna be pretty much the same procedure. The only thing that changes would be just the look of the cover, but in the other video I'm gonna explain to you how you can make a cover like that with all these pearls if you wish to do so. It's super easy. I believe that planning and setting up your planner as you go, it's much less overwhelming than doing all the decorations and everything straight away. That can be really overwhelming if you're planning the whole year. This is just the base of our planner. There's no decorations inside, so it's just the base to get us ready for 2025 in January. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video with me. I'm gonna wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I will see you after for the tutorial. Thank you ever so much for all the support that you have showed this year. It means a lot to me. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.